Hey everyone, welcome to Chin's Crochet. I'm Winter and I'm super excited to kick off this brand new series where we embark on the journey of crochet. I'll be here sharing step-by-step tutorials and handy tips, and starting right from the very beginning. Without further ado, let's dive into the world of yarn and creativity together. Happy crochet everyone! In the first beginning, I'm going to show you how to hold a hook and a yarn. You can use any basic yarn and hook that you have around your house. It doesn't matter which type of yarn or which size of hook you use. There are a few different ways to hold a yarn and a hook. Some people like to hold a hook like this, which is called a knife hold, just like how you hold your knife when you're eating. I'm used to using the pencil hold, which is just like how you would hold a pencil. There are also some other ways to hold a hook. I'd say that you can use any way that suits you best. I'm going to do it with pencil hold. Then you need to get used to holding your yarn. The way I get used to is to bring the end of the yarn around my little finger, then pull it through between my middle finger and pointer finger. Hold the end here with my thumb and the middle finger. Lift up the pointer finger to create a tension. Then grab the hook. We can start our crochet work. This is how I hold the hook and the yarn. You can also choose any way that suits you. See you next time!